Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
We are here today to make something super fun. I think you'll like it. We're going to make a wall hanging. Ooh. That was inspired by one that we saw at the Children's Museum of in Santa Rosa. We're doing a different take on it, but they had these pieces that were on twigs like this, and they had a different theme, but I thought since we're right by the beach, we would do a sea theme. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I thought on this one I'd do maybe a couple of jellyfish. This one, I drew a seahorse and then just some sort of seaweedy-ish grass at the bottom. And I'm going to make one more to hang here. And then I can hang it up somewhere, I don't know where. And we'll see how they turn out because I'm not doing it with pencil, I'm just going right in for this fabric marker. You could use any sort of markers. We just had these, so I'm using what we had.
So Miss Kate, could
Yes.
you draw with pencil if you weren't so confident?
Oh yeah. Am I really confident about this now? No, not really. So on this one, I'm going to I think I'm going to stop here.
Oh, you're jellyfish.
Yeah, I was going to do a sea star also, but then I decided not to. So now I'm going to add some of the so that kind of matches. So now I'm going to add this on. So this one, you can see I did not do the greatest sewing job, but I used some embroidery thread that we had, and I sewed it across the top so that it'll stay on here. And then I'll add some sort of string to make a loop here. But I'm going to get going on sewing this one, and maybe next time you come to visit, you'll see it hanging up behind us. You never know what's going to happen to these things, do you? So that's it. So it's making a hanging. You can make anything you want. It doesn't have to be sea, of course. It could be any sort of thing that you like to make. And remember, if you make something and you want to send us a photo of it through Instagram or through our email, we'd love to see it. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye, friends.
See you next time. Bye.